MLA jong seng UDP na Nongpoh Constituency uba Mayral bon Syiem hene ka sngi ulabu ya ka jingkylli Iing Dorbar Thaw ka Jylla hato ka Ri Bhoi District kan don hok na Bniah ya ka Medical College namar ka District Ri Bhoi ka kawei na ki District hapoh ka Ri India ka bala khein ba ka kawei na ki Aspirational District hapoh ka Jylla Meghalaya mat ka badang donkam ya shibun ba ki lat kilanti ban poi sya ka roi ka par ya ketika jingkylli uba Mayral bon Syiem ulabu jingkylli haga kenta jinga tai ya ka donkam jong ki jaka sumar Ri Bhoi District namar ke District Lanang Roy haba jubab hapoh Iing Dorbar ke kong amperin lengdo kepada ke Myntri kepada Peit ke tenat ke kot ke khia kala pentip ba ke Jylla kala amang bandon ye ki doktor spesialis hadu laispa nyop sangut Henry hadu mentai ke don arspa arpoh nyongon Shushu haba jawab ya ketika jingon ra jingkylli upa Mayral bon Syiem halor ke jingkylli ban yo NM ya ke Medical College Ri Bhoi District negaliang jong ketika Myntri jong ke kot ke khia kalong bagi ke ne ke jing terwa kadang don ha ke jing syong bishar da ke Sorkar ke kong amperin lengdo kala itu ru ba ke Jylla Meghalaya kadang duna sa chispa san pongut ki doktor spesialis ha ke baide ba ke jing thungkam ke bakhadu jong ke Medical Recruitment Board kumba laispa khandai pon nyongut ki doktor la thungkam ha Jylla ha ke batang praplai ngut ki dei ki doktor spesialis
Mayral bon Syiem, your supplementary question.
So I'm delighted to see the response where the answer is yes. For the establishment of more health institutions like PHC sub-center by allocating more capital expenditure. So we are happy that the Ri Medical College is have been started for the construction. I would like to know the status of the Shillong Medical College from the Honorable Minister.
Shillong Medical College.
Honourable Speaker, sir, I do not have information about the Shillong, the status of the Shillong Medical College, sir. I require notice.
Thank you, sir. So in the budget speech of the Honourable Chief Minister, we have come across the investment of 1,805 crore total investment in the health sector. So I would like to know from the Honourable Minister in charge of health, where it has been mentioned in the speech that 20 out of 31 PHC, CHC may be upgrading. So I would like to know the proposal that have already been sent for the past 3 to 4 years for upgradation of sub-center to PHC. What is the intention of the government in this current financial year for the sanction of this upgradation?
So I do not have the specific reply of this particular proposal, sir, because there are over 118 proposals that have already been brought to our attention, and we are on way. But khein is not specifically mentioned, sir. I require notice of this.
So I would request the Honourable Minister to please consider for the upgradation of khein sub-center into PHC. So my another supplementary question is with regard to the pending health institution in Ri Bhoi, that is the trauma center in Nongpoh and the MCH hospital at Umran Parila in Umsing. I would like to know the status of these two very important health institutions in Ri Bhoi District.
So the 50-bedded MCH at Umran is on way. The project cost is about 14 crores. Date of commencement was in January 2018. our physical progress is 85 to 90%. There is a problem with the water supply, so we have suggested and we are processing a bore well. There is also power supply problem there, sir, and we have already paid the MEEPDCL for that. We also have an approach road that needs to be attended. The proposal for the HR as well has also been sent. We are awaiting sanctioning, sir.
Trauma Center, sir, Nongpoh, Trauma Center.
So the trauma center, sir, I have no information. I require notice.
So I would request to you, sir, to expedite the process for the inauguration of to make it full functional, the long pending trauma center in Nongpoh, and I'm very happy to hear that the MCH hospital in Umran Parila Muslim will be made functional very soon. So when we talk about the health institution, the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare in its website has written establishment of 158 medical college sanctioned under central sponsored scheme with a focus on under-reserved area and aspirational district, a special mention for aspirational district. As informed by the National Medical Commission, there are 358 government and 296 private medical college in the country as of now. The ministry administer a central sponsored scheme for establishment of new medical college attached to the existing district or referral hospital with preference to under-reserved area and aspirational district. With the center, the fund sharing between the center and the state government in the ratio of 90:10. So my intention to bring into the notice of the government, even though maybe I sound too optimistic, but Ri Bhoi, which has been regarded as aspirational district since 2018, with special focus on two parameters, education and health. So I would like to know from the Honorable Minister, why not explore possibility where the central government opened its arm in helping the state government in having one medical college in Ri Bhoi. So I would like to know from the Honorable Minister if the intention of the government is already there. If not, please explore possibility for setting up a medical college in Ri Bhoi District, sir. This is my question.
Point raised by the Honorable MLA, sir, is being noted. But because of this indicator of Ri Bhoi having performed excellently well at the Delta Rhine, we have taken up other interventions, sir. The proposal for the medical college is under active consideration, but we need time and we are exploring the possibility, which cannot be committed completely at this point of time, sir. We are considering it and we are already looking into the matter, but we have not made much headway, but we are looking into it, sir.
Dr. Mijanu.
My last question.
Okay.
Yeah, last. So when we visited civil hospital in different district headquarters or even PHC, CHC also, there is lots of issues with regard to appointment of specialists and medical officers also. So I would like to know from the Honorable Minister to expedite process of appointing more specialists in hospital, gynecologists, pediatric, orthopedic, in different institutions, civil hospital Shillong or Nongpoh or Tura or Maukerwat or Jowai, district headquarters, and even appointment of medical officer in respective PHCs and CHC within the, if it is to expedite process through MPSC, I would like the health department through the Honorable Minister to take serious note on this.
Honorable Speaker, sir, Meghalaya has a total sanction of 375 specialists, but we have about 225 in position today. So, in the latest recruitment drive done through the Meghalaya Medical Services Recruitment Board, about 397 new medical officers were recruited, sir, out of which there are about 83 specialists. Despite the recent recruitment, there is still a gap of 150 specialists in the state, which is indeed a cause of concern. We are on the job and we have various specialists now being posted, sir, and the department will look into the matter urgently, sir.